Hello everyone, welcome back on this channel. Non, je sais pas comment dire. Je sais pas quoi faire. I thought that I could do another tutorial video because I don't have a big channel, obviously, but one of my most viewed video is a tutorial, the how I draw peanut poses one, even though I only draw in this video like one pose. But I thought that maybe I could do another one, like face drawing, and so it will be maybe not easy depending of how you draw and your level, but maybe it can be helpful. So I thought, why not? What I do when I draw myself, there is dye. Oh, he's so cute. I like dogs. For today's video, in this new sketchbook, I did this. So it's a little sketch. It's kind of me. So we will see how I did that, and I will explain why drawing what I do. I hope it would be helpful, and it's not like how you have to draw. It's just a suggestion of how you can draw, or if you can pick up here and there some stuff that you might think it's helpful for you. I just can't speak today. I don't know what's going on. Maybe because I didn't do like a lot of videos lately and I don't know how to speak anymore. I know my accent is like not very good. Yeah, but I try, guys. So anyway, let's educate ourselves to how to draw a face. A girl face. My face. Okay, let's go. I hate to do voiceover, and my accent is shitty. Anyway, so what we do, we draw a circle and a cross, and then you can draw the eyes. I draw rounded eyes, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. It's okay. Draw any types of eyes you want. Then we will draw the lashes, the eyebrows, and the eyelids. For the nose, I will draw a line, and usually what I do is 2 black dots for the nostrils. But you don't have to do that. If it's too difficult for you, you can only draw a line, and it's okay. And usually, after that, I draw the lips. I always begin with the eyes because for me it's the easiest way to draw. But some people don't begin with the eyes. And it's okay. Everything is fine. So as you can see, the bottom of our circle is the chin and the top is where the hairline is. Always draw the ears because it's very useful in everyday life. And what I do when I draw the hair, I often draw like waves because I like this type of hair. To ink, we will use several ink pens. You can use your thinnest ink pen to ink everything and then use a bigger one, or you can use the thinnest you have to draw the details. It's what I do. I always draw the details with the thinnest one I have. Then I will use a bigger one to emphasize the eyes because it's what I like to do. I like to emphasize the lashes because my girls, they have big lashes because they wear mascaras. You can see what I do. And then I will draw some shadows on the nose. What I do also is use a bigger pen to ink the air. And one advice I can give you is use a bigger pen to emphasize everything that falls over something or is in front of something. It gives more life to the drawing. And usually I also emphasize everything that is round. So what I do is ink everything with a bigger pen, as you can see right now. Draw some lines on the hair. For this one, I don't draw a lot of lines. I could have done way more than that, but I don't feel like it. And now you can see I will emphasize everything that is round. Look at that. And you can notice that you don't have to draw a lot of lines in the air to give the impression of volume. You see? Some lines here and there can be enough. And if you make a mistake, it's okay. You can always draw a bigger line. And what I do, I really like to draw some air flies because the hair don't stand still. There is always some kind of wind or you move, so that's what I do. And now I will draw some shadows. I use straight lines to draw some shadows with my 0.05 pen, which is the thinnest I have. And I put more details to give more life. I could have just keep my drawing like that, it would have been okay, but I wanted to put some more shadows, and you can see she is more alive with more shadows and stuff like that. So and I think we will put more, more emphasis. Yeah. Oh yeah, more and bigger lines. That's what I like. Bigger lines. You don't have to do that, but that's what I do. More lashes. More shadows in the eyes. You see? I could have done way more than that, but I just wanted to draw like an easy drawing. So anyway, I hope it would be useful to you. You can let me know in the comments. And see you soon. Bye!